3 root 5 times 4 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 times 3 root 3. Hello there, we are wanting to solve this. We want to solve this Surds equation, this Surds question, sorry. So here we have 3 root 5 times 4 root 6 over this and so on and so forth. So what we are going to do first is to multiply this the numbers together, this 3 and 4, this 2 and 3, and before we now multiply the root 5, root 6, root 2, root 3, before we now divide. What do I mean by that? Let's go. 3 times 4, 12. We've multiplied the numbers now. Root 5 times root 6 gives us, or 5 times 6 gives us 30. You put the root, that's root 30. Divided by 2 times 3 gives us 6. And root 2 times root 3, that's 2 times 3 gives us 6. That will be root 6. So from here, we can now divide the number divided by the number, the root divided by the root. 6 here 1, 6 in 30 gives us 5. 6 here 1, 6 in 12 gives us 2. Making our answer 2 and this root 5. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, support us by subscribing, share the video please to all those people who you think might need it, and see you in our next video. Thank you very much.